Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered. I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Mtori promise Mary. Mtori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. We definitely found a couple, guys. We are waiting for them here.
That's troll.
Yeah, it's fine. But again, but Lamini Bamandia couldn't be leggings that comband was not for Londo. It's like, oh, don't wear leggings again, Lisa. Dad, I responded that I'm gonna wear leggings just for you. Because there's never gonna be any point in time where you're gonna tell me what to wear.
People, they like poking you.
Kenny?
I don't know why.
Like, so I'm wearing leggings just for you, my babe. Whoever you are. Hey guys, how are you? Hey.
Hi.
I'm good. Can I ask you a couple of questions? I go around asking couples questions.
Yeah.
You don't have an issue? Okay, come closer, my babes. Girl, you are resistant. Name?
Tabo.
Tabo and?
Ketiwe.
Ketiwe?
Yes.
Ketiwe, how long have you been with Tabo?
I've been with him for 1 year, 2 months.
1 year, 2 months. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay. Tabo, do you trust your woman?
Yeah, I do trust him. I'm cool.
Uh-huh.
I made you.
So in the 1 year, 2 months, there's nothing that she's done that is dodgy?
Nah, I'm sorry. Nah.
Have you ever gone through her phone?
Not really,
What's not really?
Like, when I haven't been through a phone, but I'm game
Oh, okay. Okay. Ketiwe, what about you?
I don't touch his phone.
Good girl. Hey. You don't touch his phone, and you never have?
No.
Okay. Do you trust him?
Yeah, I do.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
It is.
You wanted to say 10. What's the problem?
10.
Oh, wow. I think 9 is good.
Yeah,
I'll take
correct. Leo plus Leo 1 year.
Yeah. What does he need to do to get Lawan?
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Yeah.
You got to phone a weave. Can't you phone a weave? You know what, guys? I want to get straight to the point today. What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones. So you go through each other's cell phones.
Okay.
Yeah. You check each other's WhatsApps, basically. It's a loyalty test.
Okay.
Would you guys be okay with that?
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
Oh my daughter.
You don't have an issue.
Nothing. We can do the thing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, cell phones. That was easy. I think let's start with you, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, so just give me your passcode, password.
Oh, sorry, things to send you a message.
Okay, cool. Right, go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, type love you.
No, it's my...
It's you.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, it's also me.
Also you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, delete. Type babe.
That's also me.
Yeah, I signed that time. Okay. Type bank. Yeah, let's see who is sending money.
Okay.
Now, what do you see there?
It's also me.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you.
Thank you. Yeah?
Yeah, I sign a clean.
Yeah. Still.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who your man is fetching.
So. Okay. It's also me.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant.
Pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
Clean.
Hey, hi, son. This nigga.
Yeah.
Delete. Type morning after pill.
Morning after pill.
Mm-hmm. You never know. Clean.
Clean.
Type test.
Test.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it?
Clean. Type last night. Clean. Yeah, I saw that. Thank you. Congrats.
Ngiyabonga.
You are loyal, sir. Passcode, pin, whatever. Hey, I catch you.
Ayicela ukusondela.
Hey. Okay.
Cats.
Okay. What's happening?
Okay.
All right. Type love you.
Love you.
Mm-hmm.
I love you. Mnandi na?
That's you, Musna.
Yeah, this is me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Delete that.
Okay.
Type miss you.
Miss you.
Mm-hmm.
Miss you.
That drama.
Hayi ukuthi nginedrama like ngiyadideka nje kancane sisi wami ngoba okay yimi ne.
Uh-huh.
Hey. Mfethu, ubani like?
Going to the church?
Okay, singena.
Lucky umngani wami.
Khethiwe. Sibona izinto apha.
Umngani wakho
Sibona izinto apha.
kanjani mfethu manje?
Umngani wami like.
Go into media.
Hey, siyasizana nje.
Hey, ayike ngoku.
Eish.
Ulakhi intoni kuwe? This is not a friend, Khethiwe.
Like siyasizana, we help each other.
Khethiwe, susiphele Khethiwe.
Serious, like,
You help each other with what?
well,
You help each other with what?
like uyangisiza nje when I need something. Yeah.
Sibona izinto apha. Like money.
Yeah.
But you-
Otherwise, yeah,
Is he borrowing you the money or is he giving you the money?
gives me the money.
So what kind of friend is that where you don't have to pay the money back?
It's just a friend.
Hey. Do you want to call Ulakhi? Oh, Thabo, please calm down. I'm sorry.
Ngicela simfonele sister.
Hey. Khethiwe?
Oh.
Sibona izimanga apha. Khethiwe, you don't want to tell the truth before we call Lucky? Because Lucky is definitely going to tell us the truth.
Ngiqiniso nje kenzakalani ngayo nalisilimo lakhe. Okay,
1 year, 2 months, kid. Hi, am I speaking to Lucky?
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Hi, Lucky, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good. I'm going to be a kid.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yamazi ukhethiwe sibani.
Angizwa?
Yamazi ukhethiwe.
Ngiyamazi ukhethiwe.
Umazi kanjani mfowethu?
Umuntu wami ukhethiwe. Uthini mase ngimazi kanjani?
Umuntu wakho kanjani mfethu nesikhathi singakanani wena ubonana nokhethiwe?
Umuntu wami kabona ubani wena? Ngina 2 years ngizona nokhethiwe. Ubani wena?
Una 2 years?
Ubani wena?
Wena wazongihlanyisa wena una 2 years kanjani? Endoda yazi ukuthi ukhuluma nobani wena? Awucele ngoshow wena ungazongitshwala kabo wena. Yazini man my sister akusiku right. Yazini efok wena man wena ungitshwala amasimba.
Ubani wena?
Hayi sharp out yami.
Wena sihlangane.
Sharp Don.
Do you want to talk to your man?
Sharp nakakhulume naye. Khuluma naye. Khuluma.
Mara like why uyenza kanje? Mina nawe siyajola mina nawe because the only thing you give me is money.
Nachola vele man. Ngane skora.
Khethiwe.
Nachola.
You're still lying. You still Khethiwe.
We are not in a relationship. We're gonna
Oh, this man, he's been with you for 2 years.
like he's been helping me. Umuntu
For 2 years.
Yes. Nah, please, ngiyacela, baby, don't do that. Please, no, ngiyacela. Hayi, nawe thula, man. Sorry, baby.
Calm down, Thabo.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Bona na-
Sabona nani?
Awukathethi nangoku, you're still lying.
Abantu mani mositebe usibebe wena.
Fine, ngeke
Wanje
umuntu
ukhiselwa wena.
Yeah.
Wena ujump idrato ningithola amasiko.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Ngabe lakhi.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Ngiyaqolisa.
Ngiyawuzwa nje ukuthi intwana incane emfethu ubheka into bengithi ngizoyenza. Bheka into bengithi ngizoyenza njengoba ngithi ngicela ukuthi sivale.
My God.
Why besiyenza?
You ayisuka unesimanga man. La unesimanga.
Ukwazi iqiniso.
Uzothatha isifebe mosi apha.
Mfethu inja.
I'm sorry, babe.
Akusizi ukuba sorry Kithiwe, akusizi mfethu ngizame kangaka.
Ngijikisa iringi Mthabo.
Ngiyaqolisa, babe.
Mfethu.
Nika ifoni yakho mhlawumbe.
Mfethu. Ispecial kimi lento ngayithathela like ngapha ugogo before ever mfethu emhlabeni. Bunini ngisavile lento
For lona.
Please forgive me, Sithandwa sami. Asilungisa izinto ngiyacela.
Uyafuna ulungisa Thabo, right?
ngizolungisana ngoba uzongiphinda lo muntu.
Yeah, uzongiphinda round 2.
Uzongiphinda.
Yeah. Khawuhambe Khethiwe, please leave us.
Niyangimoshela.
Uzimoshele because you've been cheating on the nigga.
Bheka uzihamba onani ndawo. Ilahlela mina isandla Kithiwe. Avela ingcengani khothayo. Hayi fuck. Right Kithiwe.
What uzobuya uKhethiwe Thabo, you guys are going to fix things? Are you going to be open?
Honestly, to be honest, it's just good. Ngiyamthanda. So I'm actually confused, man.
I get you. But just take time and think about it.
Yeah, but manje ngathi ngaphuma nje ngoshaya amabhiya mfethu ayingrand.
Bolo mana boshayiwa mbosela. Yeah, mbosela. I think that's a good idea. Okay, my scat. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yo.
It happens. Right.
Yes, sis.
Wena.
Uyosela Dlamini yoga sethi menguye. I want a drink. Lol, so fun.
Lemon.
Angry Lemon. And Recorded. Do you know what Recorded is? It's a cider from Sweden. I love it so much.
But you recorded it.
Recorded.
Recording it.
Yeah. Initially, I thought it was Recorded. But it's not South African.
So it's a recorder like.
Yeah, so after here, you're taking Recorded.
So it's about Chris.
Don't say yella. Do you guys think I can't buy my own drinks?
No, then booze. I know you can afford your own drinks, but you're saying booze.
Chris is on television Recorded like it was your mom.
Yes.
Chris is gonna buy it. Tell you when.
Azenza umuntu Chris. Oh.
I was on television.
Uba.
I will. David, why don't you want to buy? You never buy me stuff.
Why should I buy you stuff?
Because I'm single now.
Okay, listen, ngamiss.
Imafika ngiyibhatalele level drink uzongithengela yona.
Alele ngiyayicelela.
Alifuni ngiphuza le drink.
Hey, awungiphuze.
Ngiphuza le drink na. So ndiyayibhatala le drink.
Phuze le record le.
Guys, let's close the show. Dear abuser.
Yazi kunento engifuna sikhulume ngayo. Le ndaba ye ring ekhishwa umjita. Yafethu.
Uyayibona
to go that far.
Yes. And I'm born serious ubhuti.
Oh, mfethu.
He was willing to go that far and no bebesiya phe no bezopropose apha bebesiya khona.
Kuphe khona.
Izimanga Dlamini.
Unezinye izinto azenza.
Une side nigga. Guys, kanyekeni man izimanga man. Shame, poor guy. Dlamini, have you ever proposed to a woman?
Mina? Wey!
Have you ever?
Angiziboni nje.
Really?
Mina.
Yani?
La angilapho.
Oh.
Mina I have learned empilweni yami ukuthi umuntu wesifazane. Bafethu.
So you'll never get married? You don't want to get married?
As much as it's not all of them, but I don't know. Be careful.
Nah?
As much as abosisi they should be careful ngamajita, but nathi we should be careful.
Absolutely.
Otherwise,
I mean, I don't want to talk about proposals. It's a sensitive topic. Proposals. Guys, I think I need to cleanse. I need to cleanse. I'm even embarrassed to talk about how many proposals I've had. And I've never led to marriage. I went to that river. But I think I've told you.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah. Ungayibizi.
No, kumele ungene la.
Zongena. Nakuyonifaka dlams.
Manje.
Yeah.
Record please.
Guys, that is it from us. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _Dlams. I've never said thingy. Your Instagram handle.
Instagram.
Ndiyakulibala man, sorry.
Welcome _Dlamini 08 ababili. It's welcome _88. Welcome _Dlamini 88. Welcome _Dlamini double on TikTok. It's welcome Dlamini. Facebook, same thing. Welcome Dlamini. Danko.
All right. Do people have followers on Facebook?
Mina.
Do people follow people on Facebook?
Hey, Facebook.
And people friends on Facebook?
Oh,
Do you follow people?
I follow people on Facebook.
People on Facebook have followers.
Yeah.
People on Facebook don't have friends.
Hey, followers.
And then friends, what are friends?
Friends, I think it's. You know my friends.
Facebook has friends.
No, it says followers. I know my friends.
Since when does Facebook have followers when?
Do you have Facebook? No.
I have, but I haven't been on there for probably 2 years.
Yeah, so Facebook it has followers.
Okay, guys,
Mike Bani on Facebook.
Zuckerberg, don't.
Yeah.
Who are created?
Oh.
Bye-bye, guys. Let's close the show. Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Ngine kare blangana njana no ka.
Yes.
Ama friends ngadla.